In Japan, a remarkable revolution has taken place as the world witnesses the unveiling of its first 3D-printed railway station, an achievement that merges cutting-edge technology with traditional infrastructure. Here's how they did it. The ambitious project involved advanced 3D printing techniques that allowed for rapid construction, significantly reducing both time and costs while ensuring durability and sustainability in design. To bring this vision to life, a team of experts utilized innovative materials and state-of-the-art technology, transforming the way infrastructure is conceived and constructed.